Now I'm going to show you how to change your engine air filter for your engine. So it's a Toyota Tundra 2009. So you open the hood, of course. You open the hood. I put the filter in the floor because I don't have where to put it, but it's okay. So you open your hood. There's your box. So right in this box right here is where your engine air filter is. So you have to make sure that is clean. Make sure the filter is clean because the engine needs to have clean air going in. If you know, you're gonna have throttle body or even fuel injector or engine damage or something like that. But you want to make sure that your engine filter is clean. So that's why we're changing it. Sometimes you go to a shop and they say that you need that, and they want to charge you how much, $70 to do it. No, you go to AutoZone or Rallies or get it online and you put it on. There you go. So you pop this out, pop this one too, pop that up. There's one more right here. So you pop that out. You open your box, and there's your filter right there. See how I can get it out. Alright. So you just pull it out. See how I take it out? So you just pull it out like that. Then you put your new one back. So you put it like that. Like that. The bigger side down. So you pull the box up.